Done.
Start. Namaste. Hi, we are going to do today Shira Annam. Annam means you all know rice. Shiram means you all know milk. Explain.
So in this pot we have 1 cup of rice with 4 cups
200 grams rice.
200 grams rice with 4 cups of milk. 4 cups of milk which was pressure cookered, and then now we've put this Amul Gold homogenized standardized milk into it, and for past 3 hours we've been stirring it.
You want to see the consistency? I am using raw rice. If you're comfortable with raw rice, is fine. Otherwise, you use basmati rice, also fine.
Can we use red rice?
Yes, yes. Whichever is your wish. Explain. This is for Bhagwan ka prasad. In auspicious days, you can make this for Bhagwan prasad. Actually, we are good.
Actually, this is made in milk, rice and good, but today we are going to use condensed milk instead, Amul's condensed milk, because if you're going to use good, it has to be boiled and cooled down, and towards the end of the Shira you turn off the stove and put the cool down good into it. Otherwise the milk will separate into milk will go bad. So make sure to use, if you're using good, use it towards the end of the dish. But today we are going to use condensed milk.
If anybody wants sugar instead of good, that is also fine. But generally, we do in good only.
So this has to boil some more time.
Yes, 5-10 minutes.
So the consistency has to become thicker, so it has to boil for another 5 to 10 minutes. You can show it.
This is like payasam right now. Kheer.
Is it payasam ne arupikra?
No, it is not payasam. It's Shira Annam. And
And it's Shiranam, it's not Paisam, and once it cools down it will become really thick, but when you put it on the stove it is going to look like it's in Paisam consistency. Correct? Almost 2 liters of Amul milk has been used already into the Shira. And when you boil the rice, we use 4 cups of milk with for 200 grams of rice. Right? Can you please repeat the steps again, Chota?
Cooker level.
First first you take 200 grams of rice, wash it well and put it into the cooker, add 4 cups of milk, Amul Gold milk to it and cook it for the next 45 minutes. After it's done cooking, take it out and then ladle it down so that it becomes nice and thick and creamy. Add milk to it in a pot, add the rice and add the milk to it in a pot. And this,
milk
the thicker it gets, keep adding milk. So we've added almost 2
liters, yeah.
2 liters of this milk so far.
Almost thick.
Gujarati, we call this kheer as doodh pak. Question.
Yeah, we call this kheer doodh pak.
Condensed milk.
Doodh pak. दूध पाक चल गया गुजराती लोग दूध पाक
Gujarati it's called doodh pak. Okay. Now we add condensed milk to this mixture.
3/4 of this. This is 400 grams. I added 3/4 condensed milk. It means 300 grams happened.
When do you add condensed milk? Do you boil milk first while adding the kekra?
Already sadhan thick condensed milk add.
Yeah, after the rice becomes really thick, we add the milk and we boil the rice and the milk together so that it becomes thick and creamy. After that, towards the end only we add the condensed milk. Repeat recipe. Is rice cooked first with water in the pressure cooker? Yes, rice is cooked first in the water with not water.
Milk.
Milk. It's cooked with milk in the pressure cooker with the lid on. So repeat recipes for So first rice, take 200 grams of rice, cook it with 4 glasses of water in the pressure cooker.
No, 4 glasses of milk.
Sorry, 4 glasses of milk in the pressure cooker. And then once it's done, the pressure is cooled down, remove the rice from the pressure cooker and nicely ladle it down. After that, add Amul Gold milk to it into this pot and bring it to payasam consistency. And after that, the milk will keep on getting absorbed into the rice. So we've added 2 liters of this milk box. Okay? And then towards the end, when you see that it has come to a nice creamy consistency, please add ghee and condensed milk. Flame high or low?
Medium.
Medium flame. Please add ghee. As you can see, everything we use is Amul, so this is Amul's ghee. When to add sugar?
Yeah, the condensed milk is enough. No
If
need
you-
sugar. If
if
you
you
don't
add-
use condensed milk, then add sugar. Just see the consistency. So creamy.
Will it overflow when you pressure cook the rice with milk?
Nothing.
No. It will not. Now add ilachi powder.
Yeah. Cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon.
How long to cook in the pressure cooker? 6 whistles.
8 whistles.
8 whistles. So cook
Keep
for
the
a
medium flame. Take the 8 whistles. Turn off the stove and keep down the pressure release. After that, remove and put it in this type of kadai and pour the milk again. Stir it and make it thick. You will get this type of consistency. And this is eatable camphor.
add some eatable camphor towards the end. How long to cook? What is the quantity of ghee to be added?
Yeah, 2 tablespoons to 3 tablespoons.
How much sugar? No sugar, right?
No sugar.
Only condensed milk. Condensed milk itself has sugar in it, so you don't have to separately add sugar.
If you don't add, then add sugar.
If you're not adding condensed milk, add sugar separately. How much sugar will you add if you're not adding condensed milk?
Yeah, then add 200 grams sugar. 200 grams to 250 grams sugar is enough. Depends your taste.
When do you add ghee? Towards the end?
Yeah. I'm going to switch it off now. See the consistency. So creamy. So delicious. Looks so delicious. Now we are going to add cashew nuts.
What is the purpose of adding camphor in kebab?
It's additional flavor and it's additional flavor.
It is additional flavor and it tastes really good if you add edible camphor.
It's a flavor, not taste. It's a
Smells nice. It smells really nice.
ಇದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ನೈವೇದ್ಯನ ನಮ್ಮ ಈಟಬಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪರ್ ಯೂಸ್ பண்ணிருந்தாங்க.
Because it's Bhagavan ka prasad, it will be nice if you can use eatable camphor so that it smells nice and aromatic.
This is finished now. If you like, add some saffron also. It's your wish, purely.
Saffron right now?
Saffron. That's all.
Actually, edible camphor has a sharp fragrance, so it is added in certain sweet butter. क्या बना रहे हो?
Rice and milk mixture.
Rice and milk
Mixture.
mixture.
எவ்வளோ போடணும்?
Rice and milk first.
200 grams rice, 2 liters milk. Actually.
Yeah. So how long you need to cook? Total time of cooking?
Yeah, pressure cook 8 whistles. It will take me around 40 minutes. This 40 minutes. Sorry, it's a longer process, but it's delicious.
This is raw rice. You can also use basmati rice.
Okay.
Any other questions? We can wait for a couple of minutes and then sign up.
செமையா வந்திருக்கு.
அப்படியே பிள்ளையார் நேம்
அவ்வளோதான். இங்க பிள்ளையார் அதுக்கு தான் வச்சிருக்கேன். அவர் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அவர் தான் வாசனை பிடிச்சது, அப்புறம் தான் நமக்கெல்லாம். ஏன் நல்ல வாசனை வருது இல்லையா? Okay. Any other questions?
இல்லை. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you so much for the opportunity. Thank you, Amal. Thank you, friends.
Thanks everybody for joining in live.